Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. It's December and have we got a month for you. The first thing Vito's promised is he's gonna sit on a different shelf in my house every morning for my kids. It will be epic. Look for the pictures on social media. Just kidding. But we do have a great month and we're gonna change things up a little bit and we're gonna bring back the basics of how we even started Free Beer Friday. So instead of one big giveaway this month, Vito, we're going big.
Ho, ho, ho!
This month, we're gonna be doing things a little bit different. Instead of one big giveaway for the entire month, we're gonna give away something big every week. So you're gonna wanna be sure to tune in every week, and that giveaway will end within a week, so you wanna act fast. Vito, what do you think?
Sounds like a celebration to me.
Perfect.
Cheers.
So each week, we are throwing it back to something we've given away before. But this week is special. It's first week, and we're gonna start at the very beginning. Get it? Start at the very beginning. And this is what we started with, starter kits. And these are great. Whoever wins this, your Christmas gift shopping just got a little bit easier. Friends, aunts, uncles, cousins, son, daughter, doesn't matter. Anyone would love to brew. And not only is it a great kit, it comes with a free instructional video done by this guy over here.
Yeah, we've got an instructional video that's free. You can watch it, I'll take you from grain to glass, go all over the steps, and then also tips and things that I like to do in my brewing process. So it's easy. They're gonna make a great beer that they can share with you.
All right, so let's quickly go over an overview of the entire brew day. What we're gonna be doing is collecting water, heating it, adding steeping grains, getting to a boil, adding our malt extract, adding our hops, chilling our wort, pitching yeast, etc. So again, it takes about 4 hours. We're gonna go through every step, teach you how to make great beer at home.
So to wrap it up for this week, we're giving away the starter kit. By the way, if you want to kind of reinvent your home brewing or you stop brewing for a while, this is a great way to get back into it again. So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter the monthly giveaway, even though it's going to be weekly.
Yeah, so this month we're not doing the weekly kit giveaway, but we are giving away oodles of recipe kits at the end of the month. So be sure to stay tuned for that final Free Beer Friday at the end there.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to next week for another big giveaway. Cheers.